Mhlekazi omhle ngicela singene egamini namhlanje bese ubone kanjani?
Oh sure, but we are not expectanga maybe a high intensity game because it's still the first game of the season. We're expecting maybe score sizothi 2-0 2-1, but we besiyazi ukuthi iOrlando Pirates izoyisuffocate midfield 25 minutes ibizoba ninzi iPirates ingascoranga, but midfield perform today. They play very well, but the only thing bengekho happy ngayo why they build from the back kodwa bayayazi ukuthi abakagain confidence, and Pirates front line yayo is very deadly. Last season ibiyona team in a high scoring record in Africa, but they try to be fancy. But most of the teams Mazisiza la Escotini, they come to play a decent football more than our results.
Yeah.
So but I was impressed by first half, then second half it be slappy, but I understand it's the first game of the season. I'm impressed ngama playing wabonile. It looked like iPirates yenze ama signings are right. I think first round of the season last year basolve kade indaba ka number 10. Then second round baba show ukuthi they are going with Thurele. I would like ukuthi kungenziwa ama favors isizini isaqala. Let's go number 10 abengu Police finishing clear. Utito he can't keep up ne style of play Skawatu. I understand Utito it's a good player. We understand the system, une character, uyathandwa ngama fans yabo, but uthando masilibeke ecaleni he can't fit kwibhola kaWatu because iyademanda, and lama player fikile and yena as season zihamba he can't keep up neza players, but it was a very good game for iPirates, and nama fans they come in numbers.
Ngikubuyisele emuva nemfethu uAbdeslam Wadu on the last season nge first game yakhe wathola ama backlashes amaningi ukuthi why is he doing so much changes coming this season nge first game yakhe uqhubeka nge lineup abekathanda ukuyisebenzisa apart from Urele Mufokeng because of his gone. Do you think ukuthi he was actually it's a lesson that he actually learned from last season because of akazange sawathola ama results because of those decisions?
I think he was scared of start the season ngenote phansi. You see Pirates coming from this game ibine a build up yama documentary, introduce Jesu uvula istore, so ama fans Pirates they come with expectations. I think ebeyifuna le game and you ebe cautious. It was not iPirates and enjoy ukuyibukela because enjoy iPirates ukuyibukela, but today ebe cautious, but I understand this game is about results. Then we third and fourth game you can see ke ngoku there, but I'm happy ukuthi akachangeanga squad that much. Even to the next game I would like to continue with the same lineup, although I was not happy with the performance Katito, and also it seems like uyamthanda uSbisi, maybe character yakhe it's a captain. I would like uSbisi maybe amdlalise as a right center back, athathe uSiyema amdlalise left center back because Siyema ucomfortable receive ball because the Pirates idlala ngama build up. uSbisi is not good ngama build up, but he's good when it comes to character udila ne 1v1, but he's not good ama build up. We are not looking for a league, we are looking whereby a press ngama strikers a kef akla caliber yo Leon, you understand? So if akazoba na solution ye left center back, I would like maybe a twist uSiyema as a left center back because uSbisi is not comfortable. Also press was the players a midfield uBuishwe the players a Pirates uPenike, how kuzoba njani xa udlala against Pyramids kla level yo Mayema you understand? So I would like a fix indaba ka number 10. I think striking department sizoba fixed because uHaaland wakatemu ukhona, and I believe uzodivarisha, but Pirates is a very decent team. I enjoy Pirates. Ngifuna uphosisa.
And then ngicela singene kundaba ye league as a Betway Premiership on its own ne. Do we have a very close competition like last season? Kusho ukuthi what I mean ukuthi izophela nge last game now, or do you think ukuthi there's gonna be a gap ezowenzeka mhlawumbe?
I think fans maybe zizothi jealous kuba ndiyifan ye-Chiefs. I-league it depends kwi-Sundowns ukuthi this season, because Sundowns last season more focus ibifuna i-CAF, so it's gonna depend ukuthi i-Sundowns i-energy yayo ikuphi, because if i-Sundowns can give 100% wayo, Sundowns can come back and take a league. If you can check ama signings signing, but ke iPirates ayiwinanga nge-fluke last season, so I'm expecting a tight, maybe it's gonna go to the wire again. But I'm expecting the Pirates still give Sundowns a tough time, because the Pirates signing ama players amnandi, but it's gonna depend kwi experience kawatu, how he's gonna manage his squad, because now we are expecting him to compete with CAF, also to defend as trophies call. So it's gonna be tricky how he rotate players, how he maneuver players, how he replace Urele, because I still believe if he can find a solution quickly, number 10 role, because if Udion doesn't come to the party, obviously he must play Police, because Utito is out. Utito is a good player and Yamtanda, but Utito no Dlamini, they can keep up nebhola kawatu. Yeah, and also you can't say Utito as he goes converter as a double pivot, because iPirates is congested, but inabonduli engekabadlalisi nomthiyane basayinile, inodancing, no slepe, no mnamtajel, so it's going to be very difficult for it. So if Coach Wadu, he can find a solution quickly, collect points as much as he can, season is because Sundowns maybe izofika disturbing indaba ka Jayden. So I still believe iPirates can defend, but it's not gonna be easy this season. Yeah.
Difficult. Tell us if I man of the match, my brother.
If man of the match, Kenrim Tansi. Angifuna umkombera no Jayden, but ngobe nimbukela, I feel like this boy can replace Jayden. Yeah, but the problem ke ngoku I don't think ubelieve kakhulu kuye no Slap, because Onduli they gonna gain fitness still. Kusekho uMakhawula, kukho uMthiyana bamsayinile, kukho ifavorite yakho uNamthajela. So I don't think, but this boy if he get ama minutes, he can be a bafana player. Yeah, because we understand the role yakhe. He is a matured player, he understand football. uDansina is a very good player, so we deserve a man of the match today.
Ngicela sifa nefethu PSL Pulse, danko.